begin. So first one is, she daily dash food for me. So daily, always, never, every day, every week. This is the habit. This is the part of habit or routine. So what do we use here? Sakshamani. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, cooks.
Okay. Simple present tense. Cooks will be the answer. If one person is there, you will add S or yes. Otherwise, no need. Okay. Well done. Next one. Ekansh. Ekansh, second
Good
answer.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
Ma'am, I have already finished my work.
Yes. Well done. Already or just? I have just finished my work. I have already finished my work. That means you ended the action just now. Okay. So has or have plus third form of verb. I have already finished my work. Okay. Next one. Yes, Raymond. Fourth and fifth. Okay. Yes, Raymond.
Ma'am, third one,
Yes, yes. Third one.
are sitting together.
Okay. Because now is there means this time the action is happening. So is MR ing. They are sitting together. Yes, Himal. Number 4. Again, since is there. So has been, have been. With singular, you have to use has been. She has been sleeping since 9 o'clock. Yes, Gautam. You sure? Yes, Adnan. Think about it. Okay, Adnan.
Ma'am, give he dash give he gives duty for 3 hours.
He gives duty for 3 hours.
He has
Okay.
been giving.
He has been giving duty for 3 hours. But if you take this as preposition, that वो 3 घंटे की duty देता है, then you can use gives also. That every day he gives duty for 3 hours. So gives is also correct. But the most appropriate one is he has been giving duty. Yes. So this was present tense only. I gave you 5 sentences of present tense. On Friday, I'll give you
Okay,
5
ma'am.
sentences of past tense. And on Saturday, I'll give you 5 sentences of future tense. And I hope now it's clear to you, right? Okay. So now it's time to do one writing skill. First of all, please note down this. I'm giving you 1 minute. Write a letter to your friend describing him the day when you performed on the stage. I hope all of you, in one or another way, you all have performed on stage. Maybe during annual function, maybe during house show, maybe during assembly. Okay? So all of you In case you haven't ever even performed on stage, you can imagine that yes, you did it. Okay. Obviously, एग्जाम में हम ये लीव नहीं कर सकते ये सोच के हमने तो कभी परफॉर्म ही नहीं किया, राइट? So you can imagine the things and you can write down. So first of all, format. So Sana will tell us the initial format. In the beginning, what do we write?
Ma'am, in the beginning, we will write house number.
Tell me one house number also.
Gopal Nagar.
Okay, we'll write anything like 46. Gopal
Gopal
Nagar.
Nagar and the house number
Then
15,
Sana, next.
etc.
After Gopal Nagar.
Ma'am, we will write the name of the city.
Okay, Jalandhar city. Okay. C should be capital, everyone.
Ma'am, then date.
Okay, we'll leave one line. Then we'll
Then
write
date.
date. Okay. So today
ma'am.
is 2 March.
Today, 2 March 2021.
Yes. Then again.
Ma'am, then again we line, and ma'am, we will write dear friend or the dear
Yes.
Kirat, etc.
Correct, better. Dear, whatever you can write name or you can simply write dear friend. Okay. Now this was the initial format in the beginning. Now there will be 3 paragraphs.
Yes.
In the first paragraph, you will just ask about his health and you will tell about your health. Then you will write why are you writing letter in the first paragraph only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So there will be 3 paragraphs. Who will tell me what to write in the first paragraph? No need. If you're writing name, then obviously you have to write capital letter. वो भी इसके साथ ही लिख दो बेटा. So there will be 3 paragraphs. Who will tell me what to write in the first paragraph? So I gave turn to Saksham, Hemant, Sana, Adnan. Okay, Harshika is there. Yes, Harshika. Yes, beta, you can unmute.
Hello, how are you? I hope my letter finds you in the pink of health. As you know, I like to perform on the stage. So in this letter, I'm going to tell you about the day I performed on the stage.
Okay, well done, beta. So first of all, please ask about his health. Hello, how are you? I hope my letter finds you pink in health and joyous mood. I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Simply you can write this. As you know, I like to perform on stage. Okay? So every time I participate in 1 or 2 activities. Okay? So today I'll tell you, in this letter today I'll tell you the day when I performed on the stage. So this is your first paragraph. You have to ask, hello, how are you? Then you have to give the reason why are you writing the letter. Write down first paragraph. I'm giving you 1 minute and you have to speak the paragraph. Randomly, I will pick one student. I can ask anyone whether he or she is raising hand or not, and you have to speak first paragraph. Then those who have written already, you can think about the second paragraph. You have to name the activity in which you participated, how you were feeling before the performance, then during performance कैसी हुई, and after the performance. Before performance, 2-3 lines. During performance, 3-4 lines. Then after the performance, 3-4 lines. Now first paragraph, who will tell me the lines? Randomly, I'm going to pick up 1 or 2 students. Saksham 5th B. Yes, Rita.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, loudly, please speak up the first paragraph.
Hi, how are you? I am fine here. Hope you are sailing in the same boat. As you know, I take part in random activity. So in this letter, I will share my experience with you.
Okay, Saksham, what did you say, beta? As you know, repeat it.
As you know, I take part in random activities.
Okay, you used, beta, I takes. With I or you are not supposed to use S or ES, right? As you know, I always take part in different activities. Take, not takes. Otherwise, well done. Okay, next one is Hridaypreet. Yes, Hridaypreet, first paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I hope. Hello, how are you? I hope my letter finds you pink in health and joy spirit.
This letter,
You know that I like to perform on the stage. So now I will tell you a day when I performed on the stage.
Okay. As you know, I take part in different activities, and in this letter, I will tell you about the day when I performed on stage. Okay, well done. So now I'm giving you 2 minutes. 1 minute. I'm giving you 2 minutes to complete your second paragraph. And your time starts now. 2 to 3 minutes. This is correct. I'm writing this letter to tell you, but this is, I think, this is an old line. You should try something else. ठीक है? हर लेटर में अलग से लाइन लिखनी है. One or 1.5 minute left for second paragraph. Koshlender, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written second paragraph, beta?
No, ma'am.
I'll give you chance. You have to speak in front of the class. So please get ready, Koshlender. Second paragraph. I'm giving you 1 more minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Get ready. इसके बेटा अच्छा, ठीक है। Saksham, please start second paragraph with her. Saksham. Saksham Mani.
Ma'am, I didn't complete it.
It's not completed yet?
Ma'am, मैंने अभी yes.
Okay, okay, you can write down. Sana, have you done?
मैम नो मैम, मेरी 2-3 लाइनें मैम मैं सोच के लिख रही हूँ अभी.
Okay, okay, no problem. Harshika, what about you?
मैम मेरा बस होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा और रह गया है.
Speak up loudly, but I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Raymond, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, beta, speak up please.
As you know, Ashima, I love to dance, and dance is one of my hobbies. When annual functions preparations were going on, our dance teacher took auditions for annual function in classical dance, and she selected me in the center of the group play of classical dance. I was very nervous as it was my first time on stage to perform in front of special guests and parents and many students, and I performed from my heart, and in between my performance, everyone gave me the standing ovation. After standing ovation, I was very happy and proud of myself, and then I danced freely on the stage. After I finished my dance performance, everyone clapped for me, and in the end of the participation, our group got the first position in annual function. I was very happy as you know, and I love dancing, and I prepared the dance from my heart with I was very hardworking in this performance of dance, so I got the best dancer performance and prize in the annual function.
Okay.
Do write me a letter if you have.
Okay, okay. Do write me a letter if you have performed on stage, or you can tell me about some more activities. Okay, well done, beta. Excellent. So next one is Adnan. Adnan, please speak up, and then Hemang will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, Adnan.
Dear Agreement, we are fine here. I hope we are also sailing in the same boat. I wanted to share with you my experience of performing on the stage at the annual function of my school recently. After passing the audition with a lot of hard work, I got selected for the group dance. We had to perform on a Spanish song, and I was super excited. We were arranged in 9 pairs, and I got the center stage. I was nervous as well as excited. We got beautiful shimmery costumes and pom-poms to wear on hands. My dance includes jump swirls, and I swayed on the music. Dancing is my hobby, so I felt extremely happy. My teacher also appreciated me a lot because I performed up to their expectations. I light and music were also spot on over groups. Also got cash prize. That's all I have to tell this time. I really miss you and I hope to see you soon. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. Your friend Adnan.
Okay, well done, beta. Well done. Excellent again. So, beta, you can discuss the clothes also, like Adnan did. That we wore shimmery clothes, right? Colorful clothes. So you can mention this thing also. This is optional, right? Okay, well done. Next is Himang, then Somil. Yes, Himang, please come, beta. जितना भी हो गया आ जाओ. After that, Somil.
Hi, how are you? I am fine here. I hope that you are sailing in the same boat. As you know, I like to perform on stage. Today, I am going to tell you the day I performed on stage. It was the Independence Day function in which I and the group of other students have to sing 5 songs on the love towards our country. The competition was very difficult. The rehearsals started 1 month before the competition. We worked very hard on it, and soon our 5 songs were ready. On the day of competition, I was very nervous before going to the stage. When we went on the stage, the audience cheered for us. Our group sang 5 songs continuously without taking rest. We sang very nicely. The audience clapped for us. At the time of result, we got the first prize. I was very happy. We went on the stage and collected the first prize. Now, also tell me how you performed on the stage. I miss you a lot. Pay my regards to dear uncle and aunt. Yours lovingly, Himang.
So here, now you also tell me, okay? Fine. And here, in the beginning, it was the Independence Day function in which I and the group of other students had to sing 5 songs. Had, okay? Otherwise, well done. Excellent again. So very nicely written by everyone. So now I'm giving chance to Somil. After that, Kaushalinder. Last. Maybe last. Yes, Hita.
Hello, how are you? I am fine here and I hope you are also fine. As you know, I like to perform on stage day. Today I am writing a letter to tell you about the day when I performed on the stage. I was a great experience. Last week
Okay.
Last week, I performed in annual function of our school. I took part in Bhangra competition with my friends. I am very nervous before the performance. We wear our costumes and get ready for the performance. When we performed on the stage, my turban slipped off from my
Somil,
head.
give me 1 second, beta. So everyone, there is one task for you from the second paragraph. You people have to find out mistakes. I will not tell any mistake. You people will raise hand and you have to tell the mistakes, right? So Somil, please start from the annual function that I participated in. Annual function.
Last week, I performed in annual function of our school. I took part in Bhangra competition with my friends. I am very nervous before the performance. We wear our costumes and get ready for the performance. When we performed on the stage, my turban slipped off from my head, but I gave my best performance. All the children and teachers clapped for us. After the performance, the results announced, we got the first prize. We were very happy. It was a great experience. I miss you a lot.
Well done, beta. Well done. Now I'm going to randomly unmute the student who will tell the mistake of Somil. Okay? From next, maybe I don't know whether I will teach you or not next year, but we'll make one rule next time that you people will find out mistakes. Fine? Okay, Raymond. Raymond will tell us that what was the mistake in Somil's second paragraph. Yes.
Ma'am, I am nervous, उसने लिखा है. I was nervous in the past tense.
Yes, I also noticed the same thing. Well done. Any other mistake? I don't think so that he committed any another mistake. Otherwise, it was fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, before the
Yeah.
performance, I was nervous. Otherwise, well done, Soumi. Okay, very well done. Okay, Kaushalinder. Now again, you people have to find out mistakes from Kaushalinder's second paragraph. Yes, Kaushalinder.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, only second paragraph. We are not having much time. Only second paragraph. You can unmute yourself if your network connection is all right.
Ma'am, wait. Do you know when I was firstly performed on the stage? I was in nursery class. We were in a group. I was doing the role of Subhash Chandra Bose. I was very nervous. We did rehearsal for 6 days. at the function. I was very nervous. Then my teacher cheered me up. Then I did very well. All the crowd gave us standing ovation. We got first prize. It was a memorable day.
Okay. So one comment from my side is that it's too short and there is repetition of one line also. I was nervous, right? You are not supposed to do any kind of repetition and try to write something more. Second paragraph आपका थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होना चाहिए. That I had butterflies in my stomach. ठीक है? I was so nervous when I saw such a huge crowd in front of me, like that. So who will pick out the mistake? Saksham Mani, yes. You can raise your original hand on the screen so that I can see you. Saksham, what was the mistake?
Ma'am, I raised your hand to ma'am letter बतानी थी आपको.
Okay, Raymond, what was the mistake?
He just spoke the word. I was being in the first or second line. I don't remember the word. It was wrong from my side.
Okay, even I also didn't, hear that word. There was, I think, network issue. But yes, something was wrong. So, okay, we'll ask him later, right? Okay, so Saksham Mani, we have just 1 minute left. Quickly, you have to speak the second paragraph and other students find out the mistakes. So, Somil will find out the mistake. Somil, Raymond and Sana. They will find out the mistake from Saksham Mani second paragraph. Yes, please start with her.
I participated to give a speech. When the monitor called me at the back, the butterfly dancing in my stomach. I was the last child to give the speech. To each and every student. Now it was my turn. I was very nervous to see a lot of children, but however, I made my mind and supposed that no one was sitting there. Then I gave speech fearlessly, and then everyone clapped for me. Pay my regards to dear uncle and aunt. Your friend Saksham Mani.
Okay, Somil, what was the mistake? Quickly, please. Yes, Somil? Yes. Somil, कोई mistake थी?
Ma'am, no.
No mistake was there. Okay, Raymond, did you find any mistake?
मैम बीच में मुझे लगा पर वहाँ आवाज क्रैक हो रही थी सक्षम की तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, otherwise आपने जितना सुना that was correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Lovenur, did you find any mistake?
मैम यस मैम इसने टू गिव स्पीच बोला लेकिन टू गिव स्पीच बोलना था.
Okay, is he correct, Sana? Lovenur is saying correct. To give
Ma'am,
to give.
Ma'am, no. एक बार मैम इसने बोला था कि सी मैम टू सी द चिल्ड्रन मैम टू सॉ द चिल्ड्रन आना था और मैम इसने लास्ट में बोला था क्लैप्ड ऑन मी मैम उधर आना था क्लैप्ड फॉर मी आना था.
Clapped for me accepted, clapped for me accepted, clapped for me ठीक है, give mistake. But to saw is wrong and to gave is also wrong. Infinitive का अगर आपको rule याद हो तो to के साथ हमेशा कौन सी form आती है? First form of verb, right? So you have to use to give, to see only. So infinitive gerund सिर्फ grammar के part नहीं है. You have to follow the rules in paragraph writing and in whole English also. Okay. So now let me take their revision test. Now I'll meet you on Friday maybe. So take care of yourself. Bye, beta.